everyone. So this is Aftab from Tabas Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Center, Palakkad. Today morning, I had a serious thought about pain and its management. See, there are 50 million people who are suffering from pain, who are suffering from chronic pain every day. 50 million adults who are suffering from chronic pain every day. Out of that 50 million people or 50 million adults who are suffering from pain, most of them, I bet most of them, they live with a pain. And pain is the most difficult feeling one could ever have, because it's hard to live with pain, but we are not properly guided on how to deal with a pain or how to get rid of a pain and how to live a life pain-free. And that is where we the people, are suffering. There are n number of pains that one could suffer with. Starting with the headache, neck pain, the shoulder pains, the upper back pain, the lower back pain, which are more common to people with who are into IT professionals, like IT profession, the upper back pain, the lower back pain, and the knee pains, and the heel pain, the elbow pain, the wrist pain, and all that. See, let me tell you, most of the pains, like 70 to 80% of the pains that we suffer every day in our everyday life, is due to simple muscular reasons or muscular issues that could be easily corrected. That could be easily corrected with simple guided therapeutic exercises alone, and not with any drugs or not with any surgeries or any other medical treatment. But only guided therapeutic exercises could or will definitely get rid of your pains. That is for sure. As per statistics, 80% of people suffer with low back pain at some point of their life. Me, you, everyone will be suffering from a lower back pain. But out of that 80% of people suffering with lower back pain, I bet you 50 to 60% of lower back pain issues are purely or solely due to tight lower limb musculatures, that is, tight muscles of their lower limbs, like hamstrings, quadriceps. There are a few important muscles in the lower limbs which could lead to severe low back pain or a chronic low back pain. So as I told you, any simple guided therapeutic exercise protocol, like a flexibility training or a strengthening protocol or any guided therapeutic exercise regime, you can add into your daily lifestyle or your daily life routine, will definitely lead you to live a pain-free life throughout. So I'll add on some pain-causing factors, or not the factors, but what causes you pain. So there could be millions of reasons to cause a pain, but still the most common aches and pains that we suffer with every day has a few very common reasons to it. So there's something called the myofascia, that is the covering of the muscles which is there throughout a body, and tightening of this myofascia, this covering, it lies beneath the skin. So tightening of this fascia could cause pain throughout your body. So tightening of the fascia in the neck can cause stiffness on your neck muscles, and it could also lead to secondary pains on different parts of the body as well. So that is one reason. The other reason could be faulty posture, which is very commonly seen right from childhood to elderly people as well. So why does the faulty posture occur? Faulty posture occurs due to abnormal flexibility issues in the muscles, tightness in the muscles, or our abnormal daily lifestyle or our work patterns. anything could cause a faulty posture. Having a faulty posture for a longer period of time, again, that causes other severe chronic pains. And other reason could be degenerative changes. As people ages, there could be degenerative changes which is irreversible, but still you can live pain free with degenerative knees or degenerative hips. And due to the tightness, as I told you before, due to the tightness of the lower limb musculatures or the upper limb musculatures or the muscles in the trunk, tightness of those muscles also could put you into severe pain, which has to be corrected, which can be simply or easily corrected rather than going for expensive medical procedures. And the other reason is a faulty biomechanics or an affected biomechanics. Biomechanics is how the body moves or how joint moves, what pressure it exerts, what force it moves in, and the torque of the movement in the joints and all that. So any defect or any problem with the biomechanics of our joints, of our body, also can cause pain. So and other soft tissue injuries as well, like the cartilages, the ligaments, all that could also lead, the tendons, meniscus, all that could also put you into pain. So what I would suggest you is, you can meet a physiotherapist, and you can get that assessed. You can get your body assessed. Either before you get a pain, you can get it correct. You can get it assessed, and you can get a structured therapeutic exercise protocol. You can get it from him or her, get it from your physio, and you can add that into your daily routine. As per the age or as per the age groups, there are various exercises that you can start doing, and which can really help you in preventing all the complications or all the old age complications as well. Like you can prevent the degenerative, early degeneration can be prevented, muscle losses can be prevented, tightness in the muscles could be prevented, faulty postures could be prevented. So why don't you prevent better than treat the pain after it comes? So that is one option. Or the other way around, if you are suffering from pain, meet a physio, get it consulted, get it assessed. The physio could clearly guide you or clearly direct you or clearly help you and in assessing and letting you know why the pain occurs. Is it due to the tight muscles? Is it due to any other soft tissue injuries? Is it due to the degenerated joints? Or is it due to your abnormal posture? He can guide you with what is really wrong with your muscle, joint, or whatever is causing the pain, and he could simply treat you with exercises alone. With their magical hands, they can seriously manipulate the joints. They can manipulate the myofascia. They can release the tight musculatures. They can improve the flexibility of your muscles. They can improve the strength of your muscles. They can analyze if there are certain conditions in which, like take shoulder joint as an example. There are various muscles working together in a synchronized manner for the joint to move in a perfect shape or perfect way. But any muscle, say there are 5 to 6 muscles that work together. Imagine one muscle goes for a strike. One muscle says, no, I am in pain, I need rest, and I am not going to move. All the other will take up the load, and they go into strain, or even the range of motion of the shoulder joint could be reduced. That is, you will not be able to lift your shoulder joint above a particular range. So that is where the problem happens. So this physio will assess you and let you know what is happening in each and every muscles of your body. And if one muscle is weak, that muscle can be strengthened. That muscle can be strengthened, and the biomechanics can be improved, the posture can be corrected. Or if one muscle is tight and the others are normal, so specific stretching exercises can be given for that particular muscle. And trust me, you can live pain free without any drugs. In most of the cases, not every time, I tell you. There are conditions, again I repeat, there are conditions, there are issues where you will definitely need to seek medical attention as soon as possible, and medical investigations and medical attention as soon as possible. But still, I'm talking about the other part of the pain, which can simply be corrected with exercises. So let me tell you guys, meet a physiotherapist as soon as possible, get your body assessed, and get an exercise protocol. Have it with you and make it a habit to exercise every day. Let us live pain free. Let us make the nation healthy. Thank you. So I'll be coming back with many more informative videos. You can like, share and subscribe our page, Tabaz Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Center. That's our YouTube channel's name. You can like that, you can press the bell icon. You'll be notified with all our new videos. Thank you. Have a good day.